Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this episode of fabric related video or tutorial, I'm going to talk you through how you can use pipeline template in Microsoft Fabric. This feature is one of those that is not generally looked up to within Fabric, but I think it is a useful feature, even though it might look very simplistic, but it's a very useful feature to consider. Oftentimes, we know that within Data Factory, it exposes a number of data ingestion and orchestration tools to create custom data pipelines. However, sometimes there are common problem scenarios for which Microsoft Fabric include predefined pipeline template that you can use and even customize as required. Now, what I would like to do with this Fabric workspace, I've got a sample pipeline which I've already put together. However, what I would like to do is to add a bit of one of the templates to create further a pipeline within my orchestration tool. Now, if you look up here, there is an icon which allows me to add a pipeline template to my Data Factory environment. Now, if I click on that, what you see are predefined templates, how you can copy, bulk copy data from a database, how you can bulk copy from files into a database, how you can copy from ADLL's Gen 2 to a lakehouse files and lakehouse table, and really like this one, how you can create a new how you can create a new file by using only last modify date. But here are templates that are available for a variety of use cases or use scenario that you can use. But I just want to use one particular one. Maybe I just want to copy data from ADLS Gen 2 to Lakehouse table. All I need to do is to select the template. Remember, it's already predefined. No drop and configuration. And now I'll click on next. Okay, all I need to do is to select the connection string, and then I want to select where I want, which of my lakehouse I want to copy these data into. Then I say use this template, and then I go ahead to complete the other information. Automatically is already done for us. The source a directory is already configured for you, and then you have the destination tables that is going to look at here. And if you want to, you might want to further customize it depending on how you want to do. Perhaps you want to override, don't want to use append, and this really helps you to quickly put together your activity, your copy activity from source to definition and get it very quicker. Now, have you used this before? How has it been? How successful have you been using it? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.